In this video, I'm going to be going over our calls page and how you can view all of the calls that your agents have been making and all of the activity in your organization. So the first thing that we need to do is actually make our first call. So let's go over to agents, and this is super important in case you don't already know this. I'm going to just go ahead and start a quick test call with our agent through the browser and communicate with it just to kind of have something to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start Test, and let's have a quick chat.
Hello, this is Jenny with AgentVoice. I have the ability to perform complex actions, transfer you to up to 4 different destinations. I can leave voicemails and I can end the call. How can I help?
Wow, that's pretty cool. What other things can you do?
Thank you. I can help with scheduling and managing appointments, transferring your calls to up to 4 different destinations, leaving voicemails, and ending calls when needed. I can also think about tasks I need to do before and after calls, like adding contacts or updating a manager. My goal is to make your tasks easier and more efficient. How can I assist you today?
Wow, Jennifer, that sounds really, really helpful. That's amazing.
I'm glad you think so. I'm here to help make things easier and efficient for you. If there's anything you need assistance with, just let me know.
No, I think I'm all good. You can go ahead and hang up.
Goodbye.
All right. So now that our call's concluded, we can click out of this and we can go back to our calls tab here. We can open this up, and this is one that I did earlier, but this is the one that we just did. As you can see, it tells you the status of the call, where right here it says agent has ended the call. If it is green, that means that it finished in a good way, like there wasn't some sort of error or anything along those lines. It means it was a successful call, technically speaking. Now, what happened underneath the hood and in terms of the sentiment of the call, that is not going to be displayed here until you actually click into it. But what this will show you is the from number. So if somebody calls into your agent with their phone, it'll show you what phone number called in. And then right here, it'll show you which agent's number it connected to. And that's where your agent number will be displayed here. And it can also be vice versa. If your agent called out, the from number will be your agent's number, and the to number will likely be the contact's number. Now, we have a type. So this will show that it was a web call where you'll also have inbound and outbound, but web is almost always going to be an inbound, meaning they started the web call or initiated that. The duration here will show you how long the call lasted. And if you want to view more details, you can click this eye, or you can just click anywhere on this row here. This will pop open this screen here where you can actually view the exact day and the exact time it took place. Right now, again, there's no phone number data because it was done through our test call scenario there. You're able to listen back to the call recording right here.
Hello, this is Jenny with Agent Voice.
You're able to listen to that and analyze it yourself. What I like to do is click this play button and then read the transcript as it goes. And you also have a transcript here where you can view everything that took place, which is pretty cool. And just so you know, you're able to customize what this message is when the agent hangs up. Okay, so it defaults to goodbye, but you can go back and change it to whatever you would like. So this is how you can look into your calls and analyze them for different things. Um, and just on that note, if you want to update that, that end call function is right here in your agent profile. If you go into the tools and you hit end call, you can go down here and give it a description of when to use it and what the message needs to be. Okay. And then you just save it up here. So that is how that works. And if you have any questions about the calls or something doesn't seem like it's lining up correctly, then again, as usual, feel free to email us at support@agentvoice.com and we would be more than happy to help.